Internet Millionaire Club. Generate income quick with Adwords. Have you been searching the web for some real responses on how to earn money fast? I'll make sure you have seen all the sales letters assuring your riches beyond your wildest dreams. Can you actually earn money online? The response is yes. There are only a few products that actually deliver on the guarantee. I have actually studied SEO methods, Google AdWords investing, and much more. 6 years ago, I found Google Cash, and back then it was very efficient. One AdWords professional has actually discovered the way to earn an affiliated earnings without a site. Two standards, however, yet effective ways to earn money quick is by offering an item or by investing cash. Selling other people's products does take a while, but is extremely effective. Lots of who have actually mastered affiliate marketing with such companies as Commission Junction and Link Share generate thousands a month. Picture utilizing banks, offshore accounts, sports wagers, Forex, Google AdWords, and virtual currencies to generate income fast. When you begin making hundreds of dollars with the Forex or Google AdWords, you desire to reinvest your money carefully. Again, this takes the best knowledge to be effective and make money fast. Take the cash you have made and reinvest to make even more. If you want to leap right into making money online, Google AdWords is the way to go. Over the years, Google has made different changes that had either frightened online marketers off or challenged the elite. Focusing on particular niches in Google AdWords can make you rich. There is likewise an approach called skimming, which can make money fast to the tune of $100 a day. Again, there are fantastic pointers and techniques that can beat Google AdWords. Make it and reinvest it. If you have the ideal understanding of how to choose keywords, make fantastic landing pages, and how to utilize your money, you can cash in. People are doing it every day, and yes, there are people making over $1 million online. Corey Rudd is a great example of one webmaster that has made it happen. He made over $6 million a year and mastered affiliate marketing. So what is holding you back? You can generate income fast, and at the Internet Millionaire Club, you will find evaluations of products that actually work. Again, there are reviews that analyze the effectiveness of the product and if it is possible to generate income fast. Bear in mind, once you have the knowledge, you will get faster. When you begin making money, you can reinvest it and watch it become a fortune. When you browse in Google, beware and try to find the cashback ensure. Take action now before the competition does. Enjoy living big. Two fundamentals, however, yet effective ways to make cash quick is by offering an item or by investing cash. Imagine utilizing banks, offshore accounts, sports wagers, Forex, Google Adwords, and virtual currencies to make cash fast. When you start making hundreds of dollars with the Forex and Google Adwords, you want to reinvest your money carefully. Take the cash you have made and reinvest to make even more. If you desire to leap right into making cash online, Google Adwords is the way to go. Let this sink in. Have a look at all the different firms and companies I've mentioned. If you want even more, I have a YouTube channel. There's over 350 videos on making cash online. This channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. That is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Now, as I say, there's over 350 different videos there. I'm sure you can find one to help you out. Below my video, you'll see lots of links. These links are affiliated programs. I don't own any of the programs. Also the tools, they're all affiliated links. I still use the tools to this day, but I don't use all the programs, but I put the best ones up. So if you click on any of those, I will earn a small commission. This is the way of the internet and how it works. So below the video also there's a thumbs up. Please click on that and subscribe. That helps me with YouTube. If you want to get single information on videos I put up, click the bell up the top and click all next to it. YouTube will send you videos as I put them up. Now there's one program out of all of them that I would like to recommend to you. I've been a member of this program for years. Then last year they sent me through an email telling me they had a lifetime program would I like to join. The program itself is called Spin Rewriter. I'll put a link here for you. Now what this does, I give them my keywords that I want to utilize, and within 4 to 5 hours I have sent back to me 50 scripts all about my keywords, ready to use, ready to go. I used to spend hours searching the internet for things to use and help people with, but after I copied and pasted it, I couldn't get on because it was rewriting and I was getting done for copywriting. So I started Spin Rewriter because you can put your stuff in there and they spin it and you can't get done for copy rewrite. But that still took a long time because you had to transfer from one to the other to the other to the other just to get a blog going or a web page going. So Spin Rewriter, terrific program now. If you join for a lifetime membership, it's about $195 or $197. That will give you those 50 scripts every month. You get them each month. Plenty to work on. Saves you a lot of time. Now, more than that, if you start any program whatsoever, please do your research. Google, put in the name of the company you want to start with or the name of the affiliate program you're starting with. Google will come up page after page after page, so you can know what you're dealing with before you started. Look at the commissions, look at the payouts, look at the write-ups from other people that are already in the program, see if they do an affiliate program and what commission they pay. All that sort of stuff you find on Google. Myself, I use YouTube because I work YouTube anyway, but I find that looking at videos is easier than trying to read everything. And if you put in how to make money online, how to start making income from home, homework, all that sort of stuff into YouTube, they come up with videos and you can see what to do, where to go, It's very, very helpful. So once more, please click the like button below and subscribe. Thank you for being here and watching. Hope you do come back and see more, as I'm always putting these videos up. All the best in your online venture. It's Ian Jackson saying cheerio.